If you thought these companies were your biggest problem, then trigger warning, you don't want to know what we're about to talk about. LexisNexis is the fourth credit bureau that many people don't know about. Your LexisNexis file is about as big as a textbook and it's been keeping tabs on you since you turned 18. Your file includes all these things right here. Now, you may be wondering, why is this important to know? Well, check this out. So you know when you apply online for a credit card or a loan and they don't approve you, but they tell you they'll let you know in a few days why you were denied? Well, that's most likely because there's some type of red flag associated with that application that requires a human to look into it. When that human, or simply who we call in this industry risk management, reviews your file, they're looking at all credit cards you have open, all loans, all relatives who have an open and closed card with them, and whether they hold any balances or not, your employment, your income, and much more, all to determine if you pose too much of a risk to their bank. And all of this information comes from your LexisNexis file. So if information is on there that is inaccurate or that you don't want, it could affect your chances of getting approved. And here's how we fix that. Comment the word dispute and I'm going to personally DM you a link so you can see what's on your LexisNexis file and start disputing it. Because if